It took me some time, but I finally completed Mela Achal and I wrote about it on Substack, but nobody read it. So I'm making a reel as well as. This book was recommended to me by Aman, and I don't think I have yet grasped the whole meaning of this book in its entirety. There's no denying that it was a difficult read. As much as I love Hindi literature, I have not read nearly enough of it to have a rich enough vocabulary and understanding of classic Hindi literature. And if you're wondering where am I looking, I have my Substack article open here. And yes, I use my laptop like that. Um, Not to scare you away, but it is natural to have some difficulty when it has sentences like मारात्मक विध्वंसक और सर्वनाशा शक्तियों के सम्मिश्रण से एक ऐसे बम की रचना हो रही है जो सारी पृथ्वी को हवा के रूप में परिणत कर देगा. You get me? But once you overcome these little hurdles, it rewards you with such nuanced stories of humans that could not be any more different from you. What does the book really talk about though? What is that Mela Anchal Renu is writing about? Renu quotes Sumitra Nandan Pant's beautiful line to describe what is that Mela Anchal. I can quote you. भारत माता ग्राम वासिनी खेतों में फैला है श्यामल धूल भरा मैला सा आंचल. The way I interpret these lines is that Maryganj, an impoverished, seemingly remote village of Bihar, does not find a place to exist in all of the glory that Bharat Mata has, but it does exist. It exists in her Mela Achal. And Reno gives the women and men of this Mela Achal a voice, which widens our limited worldview to include their understanding of the world and the concepts that encompass it. They may call a stethoscope doctor के गले में लटकने वाला आला, but when faced with byroads of complex choice between personal ideologies and friendship, they have enough empathy to say पूंजीवादी हो या बर्जुआ, आखिर वह बचपन का साथी था, वह आज नहीं है, उसकी माँ रो रही है. वह हर गौरी की माँ नहीं रो रही है, सिर्फ माँ रो रही है. It talks about the political and social environment of the country, meant to the residents of Maryganj. And mind you, we are talking about the pre-independence and post-independence era of our country. The influence and understanding of Gandhi, Congress, Socialist Party, Communist Party, all of it. It of course mentions the caste system and how the annihilation of it is not a possibility even in the imaginary realms. There is one mention of Bhagat Singh, to which the general reaction is Bhagat Singh, Bhagat Singh कौन जात का था? And in such a village arrives a doctor, Dr. Prashant, a man who was abandoned as a child. He does not know his caste, he does not accept the caste of the people who raised him. The society doesn't let him accept that caste as he was not born into it. People whose decisions about how somebody deserves to be treated are largely based on the caste they belong from. And when faced with this Dr. Prashant, they are confused. They treat him like a god when he treats a patient and they get better and good. And they treat him like a government ploy who injects diseases into patients and contaminates the well water with chemicals to spread cholera. Mela Achal balances all of it. Mela Achal balances political nuance with life, conflicts, and the love of Maryganj beautifully. I recommend getting over that little hesitation before picking up a book like this, a classic Hindi literature book. You will like it and you will love that you picked this book up and read it actually.